In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find a missing scroll bar in Microsoft Excel. If you have ever opened an Excel workbook and noticed that the horizontal or vertical scroll bars are not showing, it can make navigation feel confusing. The good news is that this issue is usually controlled by a simple setting inside Excel. To begin, you will click the File tab in the top left corner of the Excel window. This opens the Backstage area where you can manage your workbook and application settings. Take a moment to make sure you click the correct File tab, not just a menu near it, because this is where the options live. Next, after the File tab opens, you will click Options. This is the item that leads you to the broader configuration for Excel. When you select Options, Excel will bring up a new window where you can adjust how it displays and behaves. This is the area you will use to turn scroll bars back on. Once the Options window appears, you will click Advanced. The Advanced section contains many display and editing settings, including options that affect what you see on screen. Since we are looking specifically for scroll bar display, Advanced is the correct place to focus your attention. Now, you will scroll within the Advanced settings until you find the display options for this workbook section. Depending on your Excel version and window size, this section might be farther down, so take your time. Look for the wording that mentions display options for this workbook, because that phrase tells you the setting will apply to the specific workbook you are working in. When you locate that display options for this workbook area, you will check Show Horizontal Scroll Bar. This setting controls whether the horizontal scroll bar appears at the bottom of the Excel grid. If you cannot scroll left and right through your worksheet and you do not see the bar, enabling this option is what will restore that navigation tool. After you enable the horizontal scroll bar, you will also check Show Vertical Scroll Bar. This one controls whether the vertical scroll bar appears on the right side of the worksheet area. If you are missing the ability to scroll up and down, this is the setting that will put the vertical bar back where you can easily use it. Menu en at the pinudoamto and the pinudoamto. Clicking OK closes the options window and applies the settings, so you should be able to immediately see the results in the workbook area. Manid en dom for it, manid en boin. You should also notice the vertical scroll bar along the right for up and down movement. If your workbook was previously missing them, they should now be visible and ready for use. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.